What's up, guys? This is Glitcher12 and I'm back with Ratchet and Clank Size Matters Glitches Part 3, and this is Danyi Moon. Let's go. Okay guys, the first glitch is here. You know, I'm at the beginning. Get on this light, and what you're going to want to do is high jump and strike over the barrier that's there, and either two things will happen. One, you'll fall in between the crack of those rocks and die, or you'll land. Let's see what'll happen. Oh crap. Let me take it. Okay guys, this is take two. Okay, high jump, smash, and I landed and fell in between the rocks and I died. Alright, next glitch. Alright guys, this is my ways to get on top of the cliff without the plants. So what you're gonna want to do is come to this rock, get on top, and try to plant a crystal. No, not there, but just, it doesn't really matter where. You just have to get it on the lower part of the rock. It is kind of hard since you have to land on the edges. So find a place to plant a crystal. Once the crystal's there, get on, high jump, turn around. Oh crap. Back on the crystal and strike, and you're on. That's pretty cool. Alright, next glitch. Okay guys, I'm back here on top of the cliff. You should know where I am. And look towards there, like the corner right there. Plant a crystal. Get on. Double jump and tap X towards this. And you will most of the time, if you do it right, you can land here. And there, I'm not landing, but if you do it right, you can land. Alright, next glitch. Okay guys, same place, by the barn. Here's some bee mining. Come to this rock corner for a bee mine. Oh no. Right there for a bee mine. And try to get in. And let me in. Okay. Corner, throw one. And you're on the sidewalk on the outer, and you can go to this sidewalk. You can sometimes land. Yeah, you can land. Oh crap. Well, you can do some stuff with that, guys, but next glitch. Okay guys, I'm at the beginning of the barn, and for this glitch I'm gonna get on top of that. Yeah, that. So what you're gonna want to do, come to here, plant a crystal, get on this thing, turn around, and you might want to wait till the last crystal breaks. So plant a crystal here, get on, turn, trying to plant another crystal, get on, turn around till the last crystal breaks, plant another, and wait, another crystal. Turn. So it's there. If you can't plant another crystal, double jump, glide, strike on top. Oh wait, I might have to take it. Hold on. Let's take. Alright, I'm back on top of a crystal. Turn, double jump, strike, and you're on top. Yeah, it's cool. It's pretty cool, guys. And yeah, it's great. Alright, guys, I'm here right after you cross whatever place you should know. And this is just one of my ways to get to the bridge on the other side of the whatever. And what you do is come to this rock, plant a crystal, get on top, high jump, get on this door, which is way easier than Zell Hazard's wall jumping. And what you're gonna do is plant another crystal, get on top, double jump here, smash, and get on over. And you're here, which is easier than Zell Hazard's, but Zell Hazard still is awesome. He's awesome, guys. So he found bee mining, which is great. Crap. Bee mining is great, guys. Well, I guess that's it for now, since I don't have a lot of time. So well, check out part 4. We'll check out part 4, guys. It's coming soon. Alright, thanks for watching.